construction going on. We got one wall that's heading north, I want to say. They're doing that. Doesn't have a window in it, but the other ones do. I thought about putting a window. I can always add one later, but yeah. So we got construction happening. Cool. Stay tuned. Guys, well, we're working on the back wall right now, framing in the other windows and stuff. We got the one set north, we got the other one set, door, window. Like I said, we're working on the back right now, and it is 1:45. Swinging right along. I fed them pizza. They almost went to sleep on me. All right, guys. Well, got the door. I can see the door. I can see the other windows. Yeah, all right, cool. Okay. Well, guys, the crew that worked on my garage just totally rocked it. Great bunch of guys. Yeah, we got 4 walls up. We got it wrapped. We got everything framed out. We got the windows. We got the doors. Not put in, of course, but yeah. We got the door going to the workshop. We got the window. We got on the back side, we got a window. Tomorrow we are going to plumb in the dividing wall that will divide the workshop with the garage. We got the escape window in the back. I might put in a window on this wall, I'm not sure, but most likely I will. So we got the door in the front, still got to cut that out, but we got the window, and then we got the garage door. Yes, now all we got to do is wait for the trusses to show up. Hopefully they'll show up sometime this week. Yeah, but we got a full moon. I think the blue moon is starting to come in, so it's right up there, as you guys can see. Okay guys, well, siding's all up on all the sides going all the way around. The inner wall is done. Everything is prepped. All I got to do is put in the outer doors and the garage door, and we're done. I got to deal with the plumbing on the inside and the heated floor boiler system. Yeah. So yeah. So now that's all we pretty much have to do. Right now I've got just the tarps covering the doors because they're still on back order. This door is going to go in here, right there. And we still have to do the inner wall for the bathroom and the toilet and all that other good stuff. And then we're only going to do it 8 foot, so we're going to do a loft on the man cave. And then I found out that I've got to do a certain insulation on the inside walls, on the top and the walls. And yeah, so now it's kind of up to me. Clean all this stuff up and get it prepped for the next stage. I think we're into stage 4. Ooh, stay tuned. Peace out. Okay, Travis, so build the frame from here, going around here, from there to there. We're going to angle it from the garage door and slope it down. We're coming out 4 foot, and then from there, we're coming over here to the front door and just doing a square little lap right there. And then we're going to do, I think, a step. But this has got to be the same height as what we're going to be doing the driveway. But I don't want it to go all the way up to the garage because I don't want it running into the garage if it snows or rains and stuff like that. So it's got to be like a couple inches down. I hope that makes sense. I've got to do some running around today, but I will be here this afternoon working on the gutter system. So yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask and make it so. Number 1, go ahead and put me on the books to have it done. Okay guys, well, how do you put up a gutter system? This is from camping Russ to cooking to all kinds of home improvement thingamajiggers. Now, what I do when I put up my gutter system on a brand new building like this, I put up one at a time. And it's all about up and down the ladder, up and down the ladder, up and down the ladder. I mean, literally. So I set one of these guys, and I like the plastic versus, I know, no feedback from if you like metal or plastic, whatever. So what I do, because I'm not going to live that long, so give me a break. So I plant one, I screw it into the side. I screw another one into the other part. I feed that through the gutter system, and I put the end cap on it. And then what I do is, because then it's stabilized, your gutter system is stabilized. So then I take the other two and slide them in and make sure it's level. You don't have to be perfect with this, because water runs downhill no matter how much your little bubble is up and down and stuff like that. So that's all that consists of. So there we have it. And I like to do about 4 or 5 every 10 foot, depending on what kind of a pitch of a roof you've got. If you have a steeper roof, you want to put in there 5. If you got more of a slanted roof, you want to do 4. That's just my opinion. No specs or no whatever you want to call it. So yeah, and then what we do is we attach the 4 in there. We're going to put in the U-joint. I call it the U-joint, but I don't know what it's called, but it's sealing this one up to the next one, and then you just slide it right through, and you just work your way down. Stay tuned. Peace out. See ya! All right, guys. Well, we got a lot done today on the ceiling. So, yep, R30 and R19. But I'm leaving certain areas open so we can put the firewall up and we can put the escape hatches. So one up here on the second, I got to build a wall for that, or a ceiling mount. And then on the garage part, we're going to do that up there on the second one in, build that. So, but we got the R30, R19 up, and yeah, so we're slowly working our way in. Yay, okay, peace out, see ya! least that is screwed up there with the extension. I'm starting to tape it. Everything is stapled. Now I just gotta secure it with the tape, and then I can put up the wall. Dun, dun, dun! All right, guys. Well, I have taped half of the living space, as you can see. I got the other half to finish, but we got all the other parts done. Oh, now you're getting dizzy. Whoa, Lucy. Oh, wow, that made me dizzy just going around in circles. Anyway, yeah, I am going to finish up taping this weekend. Or week, yeah, week. It's Thursday, so by Sunday I'll have it completely taped up, ready to put the ceiling up. We're putting this up on the 25th. A good friend is helping me out, Neil, with Up North Paint and Drywall in Alpena, Michigan. If you guys have any things that you need done with paint and drywall, I definitely recommend him. Nice kid. I will be building in that, and then I'll be picking up the wood to build the extension for the above the bathroom, living space, bedroom, steps, building that whole platform coming out. Yeah, stay tuned. And then after I build the framework, then I will be getting in the drywall for the walls. Yeah, and that will happen within the next month or two. Stay tuned. And that will finish up the living and the garage area on the walls. So he's also knocking this out for me. And I need to finish up along the firewall. And to build and to build the escape hatch on both sides going up into the attic. Okay, stay tuned. Peace out. See ya!